another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Teruhiko
And my name is Riki.
Today we are gonna do the shooting the nerf gun at the item challenge. The rule of this battle is very simple. If you hit this tree down, you will get 15 points. If you knock down this, you will get 5 points. And if you knock down this, we'll get also 15 points same. And both of these will have 20 points. These two, 30 points. And this towers, 20. While these bottles were 50 points. So that's the total worth of points. So we will be playing for 2 rounds. For the first round, we will be playing like in how many minutes can we knock down all of these bottles. And for round 2, we will be determining in 3 minutes how many points can we get in total, like in accumulated. So as I said in previous videos, previous challenges, battles, always elders go first. So my brother will go first, guys. But the gun that we are going to use today is a lot different, cause today we're gonna use the 1 bullet gun. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
And timer start in 3, 2, 1. Guys, it is already 1 minute and 10 seconds, and my brother have already knocked down a 20 points. That's quite good. He also knocked out this drink, but we have a lot more to go. Alright guys, comment down below hashtag T if you think I'll win, or hashtag R if you think my bro will win. Right now it's 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Alright, nice shot. 1 down. 1 down. And this is there. Done. So overall, 1, 2, and 3 down. My brother lost that bullet, so we're gonna use this ball, but I don't think so it'll work. Hurry up. Oh no.
Mama.
Time is already 3 minutes and 23 seconds. My brother has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more left, and he's already at 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Quite good. Guys, last 2 shots. Oops. Tiny window. Whoa, fantastic throw. And his last shot. Oh. Oh, so close. You're tired already? Yeah, guys, like up this video to give my brother good luck.
What? You guys did not like up this video? Come on, man! Like up this video! What the heck? You see? I'm gonna go.
Alright, time. 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Alright guys, so now it's my turn and now I'm gonna start the timer and yep. Perfect start. Perfect. Ay, what is that? Oh, it's so close. I'm the best. Yeah. I love you, win it. Oh, that's the first one. Oopsie.
So close, man. Oh, okay.
Alright, guys, it's already 45.
Oh my God! Incredible shot.
Done.
Oh,
Done.
shit.
Done. Alright, guys, my time is unbelievable. Look at this. 1 minute and 23 seconds. That's what I want. Guys, now let's do some recap on the points. So, this 315 points, 5 points, 20 points. Same goes to this, 20 points, and 15 points, 30 points, 30 points, 20 points each, and 50 points. So these are the points, and now let's head to round 2. So now it's for round 2. My brother's going first. Ready, timer? Start. Alright, go. Go, go, go.
Oh, sure. Did it go into the rubbish bin? Oh,
It went.
it went in.
Whoa, extra 10 points for that. 10 points. Oh, that's a powerful hit. Oh, what? It hit that. Alright, guys, it hit this box, right? And it still went and hit the squirtle dog. Squirtle dog did. Oh, that's too high. Guys, now my brother has 1 minute and 50 seconds left. And his point is about 30, 45, 50, 65. Is this together? 65, yeah, we'll just count it. 65 plus this two, 95 plus 500 and plus 20. Alright, 100 plus 40, 140. So now my brother 140 plus the ball went to the rubbish bin, extra 10 points, so it's 150 points. He knocked down this, so 30 points, 180. So now he has 180. Look at this, it's so close to falling. 1 point and it will fall. Plus he fall out this, plus another 50, 230. 40 seconds. Okay, 4 more targets left. Whoa, double! Plus 20 and 30. So it's 50. He has 280 and he has, another one for 295. Oh my gosh! He felt everything! He knocked down all of them just in time, man. That's good. Guys, my brother knocked down everything. So the total points is
340.
Yep. If I have to win, to make it a tie, I have to knock down everything.
Stop.
Alright guys, so now it's my turn. I have to make it a tie. I cannot lose this.
No.
Timer start now. One shot all down. Yeah, that's what I want. Come on, Teruhiko, I know you can do it. Come on, guys. give me 10 years good luck. Oh. Ouch. I think I'm gonna lose this. What? Come on. Now my ball is lost. Okay. Power goes to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay. What is useless?
So he left. Oh, shoot. Second left. Guys, you see 24, 23. Hurry up, man. We have no more time left.
Pissed off.
13 seconds left.
Oh shoot.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
No, Heaven, my last shot. My last shot. Please subscribe to give me 10 years good luck. And like to give me good luck. Alright. Guys, the winner for round 1 goes to me. And the winner of round 2 goes to my brother. So, there is a sudden death. We will have to use the paper pot and knock down this bottle. Least tries to knock down wins this battle. So they are the same. This one, 50 points, 50 points, 5 points, 5 points, and 15, 15, 20, and 15. This round, we will be checking how fast can we knock down all of this. This is a sudden death round. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, start. Holy crap, guys! First shot, 2 down. 50 points, 55 points. It will be 110 points. Incredible. Guys, my brother's accumulated points is 155. 155 points. Nice number. Guys, I'm so sorry. Just now I miscounted, and actually his final score is
170.
Yep, it's 170.
Go.
Go. Oh, oopsie. I forgot to start the timer, but just give me 5 points. Bro.
No.
I don't care. Yeah, 55 ready. Another one.
49, 47 left.
Oops, 45. Yeah, 110. So I'm 30 points away. Yeah. 165. 140. Let's see. Never mind, I'll just not know. 25 seconds left. Oh, I have to wait. Oh, so close.
Okay, guys. 18 seconds left. 17 seconds. 16, 15, 14.
Oh.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Oh no! Ah! Ah! Last shot!
No!
Now I'll win. I now win. And I'll really thank all of you. Subscribe to my channel. Peace. Ready? Last shot. Oh, so close, guys. So now I'll count how many points did I get. So I'm not done this. 50, 30, 55, 105, 155, 60 and 170. So it is 160. But I lost. Guys, the winner of this battle is my brother over there. Woo. Guys, this is the end of the video. If you like it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
You guys know what to do. Stay cool and do what you like. Peace. Guys, comment down below which video do you want to watch next. See you in the next vlog. Bye.